Like I've been in the industry now for 12 years. Like it's a hard thing to like come on board and think that somebody's going to teach you something new that you don't already know, especially when you keep being told it looks good, you're doing a great job, but you see the bookings on your end and you're like, it's not quite right.
What were your normal Januaries? What were your normal January bookings look like?
Like maybe the highest I ever hit was there was maybe I hit a 4 somewhere, and that's because there were bookings in February, right? Or there were bookings in January where I took the last payment at the beginning of the month or something like that. But I mean, to be having 50% deposits, that changes those numbers and it changes those numbers for the rest of the year,
Yes.
right? In a positive way.
Yeah. And so now you're closing 12K in January.
Like it was just different this year. I could tell I was hitting my clientele better. I was bringing in people that I should have been bringing in this whole time. Like there's a huge shift in what the clients I booked were different.
Yep.
Like I've had those in the past, right? And I'm not saying I don't get my ideal client other times and haven't in the past. I have. But like to have 4 or 5 of them in 1 month booking, it just like it feels so good. It feels so right. Like it's different and it's good.